Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power, unplug the fridge or switch off the breaker, then wait 5–10 minutes so the compressor and caps discharge. Once done, remove all freezer contents and stow perishables in a cooler. Make sure temperature stays stable. Next, take off the rear/freezer access panel, unscrew fasteners, set screws in a labeled bag, and photograph the fan connector and bracket orientation so reassembly is foolproof. With the panel off, locate the evaporator fan motor and depress the wiring clip to disconnect the harness. Pull straight to avoid bending pins. Next, unscrew the motor mount and gently release the blade and shroud. Note how foam seals sit against housing. Install the replacement motor by aligning the blade and shroud, hand-tighten screws to avoid stripping, and reconnect the harness. Make sure the blade spins freely by hand. If it drags, realign the mount before powering up. Reassemble the shroud and panel, reinstall screws from your labeled bag, then restore power. Once powered, listen for a smooth, quiet fan and feel for steady airflow. Make sure frost pattern return to normal within 4–6 hours. If you hear humming but the blade won't spin, switch off power and check rotor clearance, and for obstructions, then measure harness voltage. If voltage is present but rotor is stuck, the motor is bad and needs replacement. If temps remain off, double-check seals and capacitor.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.